Welcome to the most advanced and easy to use NFT kits available. Choose from different styles, including minimal paper, flat glass, and glass box. Then add different display elements, like a column or a platform, all using a simple control panel. In the minimal style, you can even turn on a cool 3D depth effect, making your artwork truly stand out. Customize this completely with the included depth elements. Or hey, choose the glass style and add metal pins or a border. And yes, it comes in different thickness variations. This toolkit has it all. Use the included animations and add different assets, including price tags, descriptions, design elements, and more. Finally, you can change any color, pick a different background, or use your own images, making this presentation the perfect fit for your artwork. So, what are you waiting for?